Welcome back to the review. Today I am looking at this amino fuel by a company called Applied Nutrition. I've been buying a couple of Applied Nutrition products over the past few weeks, which I'll do other reviews on. But these particular products I've been using, which is this, and I've also been using their creatine monohydrate. Now, obviously creatine monohydrate you can buy regularly from anywhere. You don't have to buy this particular brand, but I'll leave links below where I bought these from on Amazon. And this one at the moment is on special offer, which is why I bought it. So this is the fruit salad flavor. And what this is a blend of amino acids. So it's got 1,100 milligrams of amino acids, 6,000 milligrams of BCAAs, which are branched chain amino acids, and then 2,500 milligrams of glutamine. It's got zero fat, zero sugar, zero carbs, and only 3 calories. So it's a nice drink that I take whilst I'm training. So what I normally do is I mix this with 1 scoop of this, and I mix 1 scoop of creatine into my water bottle, mix it up, and I drink that as I'm training. And I also take my creatine 1 scoop during the day. In fact, I'm drinking it right now. I've just got it in some water. I take that twice a day, and that's kind of my sort of pre-workout, so to speak. So I do not take a pre-workout drink. I don't like pre-workout drinks. I don't like jacking my nervous system up. But when I'm training, I like to take something that's gonna help me push myself a little bit harder. Now, if you're just an average gym goer, and by that I just mean you go and do a little bit of cardio, you might do a little bit of weights and you go home, you're not really got a particular goal in mind, you probably don't wanna waste your money on drinks like this because it can be expensive over time. But if you are after an edge, which is what I'm trying to do, I'm 44 years old and I'm looking always to push my body as much as I can. I do a lot of calisthenics and I tend to push my body in quite extreme ways. So I'm always looking for a little bit more endurance and to get a bit further gains out of my workouts. And I'm also looking to increase my muscle mass. And this is a great way of doing that. So what I found since I've been taking this in conjunction with the creatine is that I noticed that I can push myself a little bit harder and longer at the gym. So I'm not getting as fatigued as much. And when I do, I recover quite quickly. And I believe this is assisted with that. I'm not saying this is the only thing, but I believe it's assisted with that. So I think it's a really good drink to take if you're after something that's going to boost your performance and doesn't have any side effects. So after you take this, you don't feel jacked up, you don't feel wired. It's just a nice drink to have whilst you're at the gym. I'm never a big fan of like fruit salad drinks, but because this was cheap, I bought it, but it absolutely tastes fine. It tastes a little bit chemically, as you can imagine, with an artificial flavor, but it's, you know, for the 30 servings I've got on this, it will last me for about a month or so. And I've really liked taking this and I have noticed a difference. I think the biggest thing with this is taking the creatine, because creatine monohydrate has got many studies out there showing the benefits of creatine. In fact, there's only a few studies recently were saying that women should take creatine as well because it's that good for you. There's just so many things that can help with your performance within creatine in terms of increasing ATP, increasing your energy, increasing your overall muscle size and volume. It does allow you to train harder. So I'd say these two are a really good combination. If you're just after something to give you that edge at the gym, I'd say go for these two or something similar and see how you get on. I said that for the price, these are very good. And sometimes you can look at these and pay £30 for like an amino acids drink, and they're just really expensive. So Applied Nutrition seem to be offering decent products at a reasonable price, which is great for me. For someone that goes to the gym a lot, I don't want to spend too much. If you've got any questions or comments on either of these drinks, let me know. If you found this content useful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video.